Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Tech Wizards. In this video I'm going to talk about 5 tips for better mobile footage. Number 1 is camera setting. There are only a handful of settings to worry about to help you get more cinematic footage from your smartphone. First, make sure you are shooting in your camera highest resolution. This will give you the best image your camera can produce. Secondly, shoot in a frame rate higher than 24. 60 frames per second will give you the lead away you will need in editing to produce a slow motion effect. Slow motion helps to give the viewer the idea that your footage is epic. Third step is your exposure and then look it. Filming with your exposure set to auto will result in distracting fluctuations and changes in the exposure of your video. The same may be true you with your camera autofocus. Sometimes it will be necessary to look in your focus to avoid your camera losing focus and getting stuck searching for focus. So second one is movement. Movement is essential for making your film look more cinematic. You can move closer or further from your subject or move from side to side. Of course, there is a up and down as well. Above all these, make sure you move are smooth. Move as though you were dancing with the camera. Using a gimbal or other accessories that help you get a better grip on your camera will be useful as well. So number 3 is include a subject. It may sound overly simply, but don't just shoot empty rooms or landscapes. Viewers want to feel as though a story is being laid out before them. Keeping your attentions on your subjects will not only help keep you focused and moving your story forward, it will make things much more interesting for your viewers. So number 4 is focal length. This is an important aspect for all video shooters to know your needs to shoot with a variety of focal lengths. This gives you much more latitude and options in editing, and it gives your viewer a more texture videos. Shoot wide, medium or tight shots to cover different aspects of your surroundings when shooting in the field. If your smartphone comes with multiple lenses, use all of them equally to give you more options with editing footage from the field. So number 5 is color grade. How you edit your film for color is another way to create a more cinematic look with your smartphone video. And luckily, there are many filters you can easily apply to your footage to create mood and atmosphere. While it is tempting to add lot of colors and contrast to your video, that is exactly what you do want to do. If you are trying to achieve a more cinematic feel to your film footage, a simple editing technique to get a more cinematic look is to desaturate and lower the contrast of your footage. Having consistent white balance is another pro level tip to increase the cinematic feel of your footage.